Touch mine.
Hello guys, and welcome again to my channel Jalan-Jalan Pancing. Today will be unboxing package that I just received today. This one, I already forget about this package and it's just arrived today. Okay, I already opened this package because I want to make sure what is inside. I ordered this lure 2 weeks ago and it just arrived today. I almost forget about this lure. Okay, let's unbox. Inside I have 4 lure. Okay, this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and inside is a lure that called Cicada. It's look like an insect, like this one. Okay, its weight is about 6.4 gram. Have 2 hook here, the back. Also has bearing inside. Hope you can hear the sound. The lead is around 4 centimeter. Okay, have wing here. I will use this lure tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow it doesn't rain. I will show it to you tomorrow using this lure. And this is a top water lure. It float and it doesn't sink. Okay, show you another one but different color. Sun. Also have bearing. Another one. Okay, I will try to use this tomorrow for my next trip. Tomorrow I bought this on online on Shopee. It cost me with the shipment is around RM 17 ringgit with the shipping, and it's just came today. Okay, I will show you a few pictures of this lure in this video. This lure is look like insect. This cicada. This is the loudest insect in the world. Okay, I will show you in this video a few things about this cicada, the loudest insects in the world. Okay, I see you again tomorrow on my trip using this lure. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my channel. Thank you again, and see you again on my next video, jalan-jalan pancing. Bye.